Let's make pumpkin fried bihun today. Cucurbita. Pumpkin is the general name for the fruits of multiple edible species of the genus Cucurbita, native to North America. Pumpkin is tender and fruity and has a sweet and delicious taste. It is one of the melon vegetables in summer and autumn. The soft pumpkin puree blends into the rice, noodles, making every bite golden and smooth and refreshing. Follow my channel and save this recipe now, so you may refer back anytime you like. Let's start cooking now. Bihun. Dried shrimps. Mushrooms. Soak bihun until softened. Sliced mushrooms. Remove pumpkin seeds with spoon. Cut off pumpkin skin and sliced. Drain bihun and set aside. Crack eggs into bowl and set aside. Heat oil. Pour egg liquid, fried egg, and cut into small pieces, then set aside. Heat oil. Stir-fry dried shrimp until fragrant. Add mushroom slices. Add pumpkin slices. One tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Pour hot water. One teaspoon dark soy sauce, add color. Taste and add season if needed. Add bihun. Let bihun absorb the soup. Stir fry with chopstick to prevent bihun broken. Optional to sprinkle pepper powder. Add fried eggs. Plate bihun. Delicious pumpkin fried bihun is ready to eat. Let's enjoy now. This fried bihun recipe is easy. Give it a try. Every bite of rice noodles has the fragrance of mushrooms and shrimps. It's really delicious, with the soft, glutinous, and sweet taste of pumpkin. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. YouTube, there are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.